Hi guys, a very warm welcome. That's Praveen and I'm Mehek here. And yes, we're doing for all those low carb lovers today. We're going to be doing a lemon baked chicken for you. It's easy, less ingredients and really quick.
Yes, of course, chicken plays a huge role when it comes to protein and eating that clean protein. So we have some recipes which is pretty much less in masalas and at the same time pretty much in diet. So which means that you're going to get 6 packs very soon. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell button that you get the information on when we have a new video for you guys.
1 teaspoon butter. So we've taken 1 teaspoon butter. Option is you can also go in for olive oil. I have used unsalted white butter. Going to add chicken to the same. So that's chicken breast, preferably skinless and boneless chicken breast. I'm going to drizzle some amount of black pepper powder. That's Himalayan salt and red chili flakes. You could also use parsley or basil seasoning, whatever you like the best. Once it's slightly well done, we're going to flip the same. We're going to do the same seasoning over the other side as well. So we're going to do black pepper first. We're going to add some Himalayan salt and some chili flakes. We're going to cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame. So we've taken 1 teaspoon of unsalted melted butter. To that I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger. I'm going to add little fresh parsley. And lastly I'm going to add lime juice, fresh lemon. So we just have made fresh seasoning. We're going to add that seasoning to our chicken so that it's nice, juicy and a little sour. It's good to go into the oven now. We're going to bake it at 180 to 200 degrees Celsius for about next 20 to 25 minutes until it's well done.
Okay guys, the most awaited chicken meal is pretty much ready for you guys.
So guys, our lemon baked garlic chicken is ready. So it's really easy recipe, less ingredients, super fast and super clean.
Yep. So when you talk about muscle gain, having good quality of muscles and at the same time performing really good in the gym, you need to know about your macro intake. And the chicken is the right source of macro when it comes to proteins. So make sure that you make this habit and enjoy the meal. At the same time, do the best in the gym. So we'll see you in the next video. Till the time, keep watching videos and keep getting fit.
Eat clean and stay healthy. See you soon.
See you soon guys.